Breathing in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and in, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just keep breathing, just nice and gently. If you were able to give your back pain a number from 1 to 10, 10's really painful, 0's okay, what would you say it is at the moment?
4.
4.
Yeah.
Okay, and is that roughly what it's been over the last couple of days? Or has it been higher?
No, I think it was lower.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So just close your eyes. Let's do the emotional awareness, and then you're removing one sense, which makes it easier to focus on how you're actually feeling. So just notice in your chest, in your stomach, just generally just put your attention on your body. And what are you noticing initially? Any emotion, any symptom, any tingling, any heaviness? What are you noticing?
Heaviness in my chest.
Okay, and just say that's okay, that's fine.
That's fine.
Good, just slow belly breathing. Just allow that heaviness in your chest to be there. Just let any emotion process through. Just ask the question, how am I feeling?
How am I feeling?
And just sit with it. Remember, you're asking the question of your unconscious mind. You're not looking for an answer. You're letting your body respond.
I'm sad.
Okay. So just say that's okay, and then just notice it. Just notice it. Allow that feeling of sadness just to process through without thinking about why you're sad. Just breathe with it. Just nice, relaxed breathing. And how's the sadness playing out in your body? What are you noticing?
Just warmth.
Okay. Okay.
It's like, and it's spreading to my back.
Okay, so just say that's fine, that's good.
That's fine. That's good.
And just surrender to it. Just surrender to it. Just allow it to be there. Because remember, if you go into your head thinking about it, you'll stir it up. And if you were just keeping busy at home, you'd be distracting yourself. This is about you allowing yourself to feel that sadness and feel that emotion to go through your body. Well done. Just allow it to be there. And just every now and again say, yes, that's okay. Because you're showing that you're safe feeling those emotions. If this pain is a manifestation of the unresolved emotions that are remaining hidden, if you're allowing these emotions to surface and be acknowledged, then there's less need for the pain. What's happening in your body now?
I feel a little bit of relief.
Okay. In the chest?
Yeah, and warm feeling.
Good. Okay. So I'm going to ask you now specifically to allow yourself to just remember how you felt when you looked at those childhood photos. Just allow yourself to feel it, and once you feel the emotion, then just sit with the emotion. You don't have to be thinking about the photos. And what are you noticing?
I don't know, like something is smiling.
Okay, that's good. But just say that's fine. allow whatever emotion to come up or just a sensation.
Just emotions. I have headache.
Interesting. Okay, so just again say that's okay. And just sit with that. That headache is probably there because something else is surfacing. So just sit with that and be okay with whatever's there. And if you feel it will help, you could ask the question, what's causing this headache?
What's causing this headache?
And again, just be okay with whatever's there. No resistance towards the headache, just acknowledging it, accepting it's there, and allowing whatever else needs to come up to come up. What are you noticing?
Just for a moment, sensation in my chest, like it's scared of something.
Like you're afraid of something?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so just sit with that and just say
Like,
that's okay.
yeah, if I'm vulnerable.
Good. So just go with that. Allow that vulnerability to surface. Allow yourself to feel whatever you're feeling without any resistance. What's happening to the headache?
Still there.
Okay, that's fine. Again,
And
just ask. Sorry, go on.
it's like at the back of my head.
Okay. So just say that's fine. And just again, what's causing it?
It eases a little bit.
Good. Well done. So just surrender to it all. Just be with it. What's happening with in your back at the moment?
It's better.
Okay.
Yeah.
So again, just say, how am I feeling? And invite any emotions to come up. This is that you showing loving kindness to yourself, to your inner child, and listening to her. Allowing yourself to be there for her. And what's that brought up?
I just feel sad for this girl.
Okay, so don't go into thinking why. Just allow that feeling to surface. Be there for her. And what you're doing is you're listening to her. That sadness is coming up. So just allow that to process through.
There's too much sadness.
Okay, so just let that sadness be there. How is that sadness impacting your body? What sensations can you feel as the sadness passes through?
My neck hurts.
Okay, so you're really seeing how these emotions are impacting on physical symptoms. So again, just allow that to process through. Just sit with that emotion. Remember, all emotions will pass through the body. The neck pain will be showing some resistance there. So just allow yourself to feel whatever's there. And don't focus on the sadness, just focus on how it's making you feel. So just rest with your attention on your body and just notice as the sadness passes through your body. Okay, now just keep your eyes closed and just notice again with your body, what are you feeling in your chest and your stomach area? Anything or nothing?
Nothing.
Okay, what about your neck?
Nothing.
No? What about your back?
I feel that It's just pressure from sitting.
Okay. Okay, so on a scale of 0 to 10, what would you say that is now?
1, 2.